So you want to become a top salesperson. Watch this video and find out our top tips on how you can reach the top. Hi there, my name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions. I'm also a sales trainer, sales consultant, sales coach, and the author of 3 great sales books, all available on Amazon. Just search my name, Robert Spence. Now, in this video, we're going to go through the top tips on what you can do to become a top salesperson. Now, if you are watching this, I hope you're either a business owner or a salesperson who wants to achieve the best, because that is what we are all about. Now, working in sales can be stressful, it can be tough, it can be hard, it can age you and make you put on a lot of weight at times. But it can also be damn rewarding. Of course, there is always the financial reward. There's always the commission, there's the salary, everything on top of that. But there's also, for me, the reward of helping and supporting customers, clients with their problems and providing the right solutions to those problems. And that's what I love all about sales. And being the best salesperson is a great feeling. It allows you to perform well, it allows you to serve more customers, and it helps you to guide and support other people. So Rob, what are your tips on how to become a great salesperson? Well, before I reveal those secrets, hit that subscribe button, drop a follow, hit like, drop a comment, let us know you're watching, and maybe share it with everyone that you know. All of your support always helps. So the first tip is to have a very positive attitude. In sales, you've got to remain positive at all times. Sales is a highly emotional role. There are going to be highs, there are going to be lows. When you lose a sale, when you lose a customer, when you lose a prospect, things can always be very detrimental to your emotional well-being. But beyond all that, when you're speaking to customers, when you're speaking to prospects, no one wants to speak to a bore, a depressed little bore that's got no personality and I'm just going to read my script. No one wants to buy from that. Have a great positive attitude that people want to like and that want to build a relationship with, and those sales will follow suit. It is very crucial to add at this stage that no one wants to talk to a salesperson that's over optimistic, that's over enthusiastic, because it seems desperate. If you're like, hey, you got to buy my stuff, it's absolutely amazing, please buy my stuff. If you're a constant JML advert, it's going to scare your customers and your audience away. So be positive, but know the limit. The second one is to listen carefully. Your customer and your prospects will always give you clues as to what they want to buy and how they want to buy. If you listen, if you use these big bad boys on the side of your head and stay observant to the clues that they are giving you, then selling that solution to what your prospects need becomes so much easier. Yeah, sure, anyone can pitch and barter and carry on and bore people to death, but it only pushes people away. Sit back, listen, allow your prospect to talk. Hell, if they're going to tell you about what happened in the last episode of EastEnders for 5 minutes, suck it up. Listen, that sale could be worth thousands of pounds to you in your business. Surely listening to them tell you about the important things that are going on in their life is worth the 5 minutes of your time. The next thing to bear in mind is you must always keep your pitch well rehearsed and well practiced. Of course, sure, you don't want to sound like a robot, and you don't want to be, hello, my name is Rob Spence and today I'd like to sell to you my clothes because my clothes are very tight fitting and it's not my fault, it's Christmas. No one wants to hear a robot, but at the same time, you need to have a pitch that gets across the key benefits of your solution, the key features of your solution, will solve the pain points of your customer and prospect. Even if you just dip and dive out of that pitch, keep it practiced, keep it rehearsed. Practice it to your partner, your children, your mum, your dad, your dog, your cat, even record it. Record it, play it back, where needs refinement, what could be done better. The next tip is to always stay organised. The stereotypical salespeople that I've ever worked with hate paperwork. Hell, even I hate paperwork. They never update their CRM system. All of their notes are just in their head. But don't. Just stay organised. You can do it. You have got this. Stay organised. Get a CRM system in place if you don't have one. Here at Paragon, we're partnered with a great CRM system. If you would like to have a free trial of that, send us a message and we'll send you over a link. But beyond that, make sure your company has a CRM system. If it does have a CRM system in place, make sure you're bloody using it. It is there for a reason. Yes, sometimes it can be monotonous, but taking notes, understanding where that customer is in the sales process, will help you further down the line. And my final tip, and this is the key tip for anyone who are just getting into sales or want to develop their sales career, make sure you always follow up. Once again, the amount of customers and clients I work with who go, Rob, I'm getting no sales through. I've had all these great conversations, they just never go anywhere. And I say, okay, well, how many times do you follow up? Oh, I didn't. I just sent over a quote and they didn't come back to me, so they're obviously not interested. No, that's not how sales work. No one is wasting your time, and you won't be wasting anyone's time if you follow up. Did you know that most sales happen after 7 points of contact? So sending a quote, sending a proposal is not going to cut it. You are not the biggest priority in your customer's life. Yeah, by all means, send the quote, send the proposal, but follow up. Send them an email, pick up the phone, drop into their office, send them a letter, send them a video. Follow up, nurture that relationship, keep fresh in their mind and show to them why you are far better than your competitors. And following will show you really care and that you really want to support and help your customer. So they are very, very simple tips, but if anything, they're probably the most crucial tips that anyone can do to become a better salesperson. What do you think? Are they good tips or are they bad tips? Drop a comment below, we'd love to know your thoughts. As always, we really, really appreciate you watching these videos. Thank you so, so much. Keep your eyes peeled over the coming weeks and months for more great sales and marketing hints and tips, which is why that subscribe and that follow button are so, so important. Until next time, all the best.